land of myths, legends, culture, landscape, and adventure. We're so excited to be hosting the first major WWE UK stadium show in 30 years, and I can't think of anywhere better than Cardiff, any stadium better than the Principality. It's not just the cities, it's the amazing coastline, the rolling hills of the valleys, and the highest peak of Snowdon. A stadium in the centre of the city, connecting castles to the coast. September 3rd, Cardiff, the Principality Stadium, clash at the castle.